Many religious people do not tolerate opposition to their religious beliefs whatsoever. If it says something specifically in their religious scriptures, be it the Bible, the Quran, or otherwise, then that's it. That's what God said. That's what you should believe. If you attempt to go against that or contradict that in any way, then they may attempt to kill you or harm you, or at the very least, they're going to tell you that you're going to be banished to hell for eternity for your blasphemy. But religion isn't science. And in science, we're generally very open to change and new ideas. For example, with the atom. It used to be believed that the atom was indivisible, that it cannot be broken up, and that there was no smaller parts within. But through new scientific discoveries, we found out that that's not true, and that the atom actually can be broken up, and it does have subatomic parts. With the solar system, science used to believe that Earth was the center of the solar system, and that the sun and all other planets revolved around us. But again, through new discoveries, we found out that that's not true. In actuality, the sun is the center of the solar system, and all the planets revolve around it. So we change our textbooks and what we teach our children, and that's it. But recently, new scientific discoveries have been made, and because of those discoveries, Pluto was declassified to a dwarf planet. So now there's only 8 official planets. The new discovery was that within Pluto's orbit, there's all kinds of other solar bodies that can be considered planets. They're the same size and shape as Pluto. So we'd either have to make tens of perhaps thousands more of these solar bodies be classified as planets, or we could just put them into a new classification, call them dwarf planets, and only have 8 official planets. And again, normally in the scientific community, that would be accepted. We found new information, new discoveries, and so we change our textbooks and we change what we teach our children, no problem. But now, many of these people in the scientific community are acting like many of those in the religious community and treating this as blasphemy. No, we've believed that Pluto was a planet for this many years and generations. I always taught that in school, my parents and my grandparents, and people are getting so mad to the point that where sometimes it seems like people would harm these people just for declassifying the planet. But that's not us. That's not science. That's not how we react to these situations. We love change. We love finding out new discoveries. And because of that, I'm fully accepting of the change, the declassification of Pluto. That's science. We are not religion. We should go above and beyond to show these religious people that yes, we're not like you. We're not going to persecute our scientists, our people, for having a change in ideas. We found out new information, and so we changed. Our scriptures, that is our scientific knowledge, is not set in stone. And so this discovery needs to stay. It needs to be implemented, and we need to be more accepting of this, and we need to be respecting of our people because that's science. That's what we are, and that's what we do.